Phonics is designed to help children learn the sounds of the letters in the English alphabet. To teach phonics, first step is to tell them about English alphabet. See, my daughter is 3.5 years old and I'm trying to tell her about English alphabet. She is little bit naughty, but she knows about all alphabets.
What is it? Eva?
Tattoo.
G?
G H I J K L and O.
तेज बोलो. ये R Y